Since we've hit double digits on the Sneaker Mystery Box Friday videos, it hasn't been very good. Week 10, we started off with that $1,000 laced up box, and that thing was saved by an Off-White. It wasn't very good. Week 11 was a $14.75 Soul Supremacy beater box, and man, that might have been the worst beater box from Soul Supremacy that I've ever gotten in my life. I think profit was like 6%. And you like take away fees and stuff, that thing is like abysmal. It was not good, man. So basically we have a losing streak going on. 2 weeks in a row of a losing streak. This one is a $15.25 box again from Soul Supremacy though, because I trust it, man. I'm thinking we're gonna get back on track here. So $1,525 Soul Supremacy beater box is coming up. Pray for me, guys. It's coming up right after this. Just stay tuned. Hi YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we have a Soul Supremacy beater box, $1,500 on Sneaker Mystery Box Fridays. I'm excited for this one, guys. I'm hoping that we get back on track because like I mentioned, we've been in a cold streak. It's very, very cold here. I don't know, man. I try to smile about it because I'm very frustrated. Like those last two boxes, we actually... It seems like we made money, but trust me, I'm gonna end up losing money on both of them. When the profit isn't above like 10 or 15%, there's a pretty good chance that I'll probably take the L on that. So it is what it is. Maybe we'll do it after the unboxing for those two, but we have to wait till all the shoes sell. No sponsors for this video, but I want to let you guys know that if you guys are still interested in that Tobu Sneaker levitating sneaker display back here with that Shanghai Jordan 1 floating, we still have the discount code running for that. So use code UNTIED at tobusneaker.com and you can get 10% off your order for that. $15.25, let's open it up. There's a lot of shoes in here. Typically, that's not a very good sign. That means there are a lot of more medium looking shoes and nothing really hype. But I mean, it's early. I guess I'm coming in like pretty like pessimistic with it, but it's to be expected. If you guys didn't check out that last video, highly suggest you guys check it out. Anyway, this is the first shoe that we have, a Jordan 4 Motorsport. This one is in a size 11. Obviously, you guys can see over here, this one is used. Bottoms are definitely dirty over there. And the rest of the shoe actually looks pretty okay. I believe these shoes came out in 2017, so you would expect there's not that much damage because it's not that old of a shoe. These have been sneakily rising in value though, but without a box, I'm not sure how much these are going for now. You guys can follow along on the counter over here to see if we're actually gonna make money on this box. To make myself feel better, I guess we'll open one of the more hype shoes. I saw a Y3 box over here. Adidas Y3 ZG Knit, size 9.5. This should be a big one. Yep. Okay, and so it lives up to expectations. This is a Yohji Yamamoto Y3 ZG Knit, and these things actually go for a solid amount of money. I'm not sure if they still do. I'm hoping they do. Anything with boost kind of died off, but this is one of those like luxury or more premium kind of shoes, so I would assume that it still holds good value. One of the things that you guys want to look for on this shoe is to see if the Yohji Yamamoto like logo is like rubbing off. It does come off pretty easy, so you can see that the O over here is actually starting to peel off, which is unfortunate, but still most of it is there, so that's good. But other than that, I don't see any problems with this one. Ooh, and then let me show you guys this real fast too. So like I was saying, this one, Yohji Yamamoto, it has perfectly written out over here, so no problems at all on this one. That means it's in good condition. So good shoe right here, good boost to value. Makes me feel a little bit more confident about the box now. And then to make me not feel good about it, we have a New Balance here. New Balance isn't really a hype sneaker to sell. This one is in a size 9.5 though, and we have a bunch of shoelaces. It says absorb over here with a Z instead of an S. I don't like that for one, absorb. And then the rest of the shoe, it looks like a standard New Balance, I guess. The suede and the nubuck up here is actually pretty like premium quality feeling, but it's just a New Balance. So in terms of like hype, these things aren't very hyped, which means low resale. So I'm not really excited over this. Next shoe out is an Adidas box. This one is an EQT Support 9317 in a size 13. And for this one, we have this is like that infrared colorway. And is this one dead stock? Very, very comfortable shoe over here, the EQT Support. And it has that infrared kind of look with like this hot pink, I guess, kind of look running around the side. Very underrated shoe, honestly. This is a very, very comfortable shoe. And this is why I thought it was dead stock, is because the bottoms are like pretty darn clear. And you guys can see that boost is like perfectly white still. So a very, very clean pair right there. Size 9.5, a lot of 9.5s today. Ooh. This looks exactly like the other shoe. What the heck? Ronnie, what are you doing, man? This is, I don't get it. It looks exactly like the other New Balance. This one is pretty worn down, man. The suede back here, you guys can see, is like discolored. It's like pretty worn, like heavily like rubbed up on and stuff, so it's like worn out, and the rest of the shoe just doesn't look that great. So another interesting one right here. Over here we do have a women's Nike Free Run Plus 2 DB size 7.5, and so this is from the Dorenbecher line. And I never really have anything bad to say about Dorenbecher shoes, man. You guys know that these shoes are designed by children at Dorenbecher Hospital in Oregon. So I don't know, I value every single shoe in terms of like artistic work, but we can talk about this more in like terms of resale value. So check this one out over here. Free Run Plus DB. It says believe, hope, laugh on the bottom over here on the sole. And you have a lot of flower patterns running across the shoe. Ooh, this is kind of cool. It says Maddie, believe, laugh. It's like that like holographic kind of look. Also nice little pink laces with hearts and stuff over here. So, it doesn't have the card in here, so I can't tell you guys about her, but I think this one is in dead stock condition actually. Lace bag is not attached, but from what I can tell, dude, it does look dead stock. Again, for resale, DBs typically go for good amounts of money, but it depends on the Nike model. So I think this one, Free Run Plus, probably not going for too much. However, in terms of artistic value and just like value from the designer's perspective, very good shoe. Never have anything bad to say about Dorenbecher, man. Always cool, very nice what they do over there with the kids at Dorenbecher Hospital. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not happy about this box so far. We got 3 shoes left and they're all Adidas. Okay, so this is a size 13 EQT Support 9317. And we have a pair of the dead stock infrareds in the white colorway though instead. So this is basically the exact opposite colorway of the other shoe that we just saw. Is dead stock because the tags are still attached over here. Bottom super white, so definitely a dead stock sneaker. I'm not going to say too much about this one over here. I would think that it is like at least probably close to retail, which was I think 180. Maybe a good boost to the counter, I'm guessing, I hope, I don't know. And then the last two are Yeezy boxes. This one is a size 10 Yeezy 350 boost, and we have a pair of, okay, we have a pair of Belugas. Beluga 1.0 over here. Yeezy 350 model. Yeezy 350 Beluga over here. You guys can see this one is in solid condition. Bottoms, the boost is, I mean, a little bit worn. You guys can see a little bit of the heel drag over here. Good sneaker. These are dipping in value like really fast, which is why I think we've seen this in the previous box from Sole Supremacy. They're probably trying to unload their inventory. So good sign to sell these if you guys can. Also low key between you and me, I think they're overvaluing the Yeezys like in their boxes, because that last box we got 4 Yeezys, but it was not worth the price of $14.75, dude. It was a very small amount of profit that could be made on these, and I think it's because they're overvaluing Yeezys. I don't know, that's just me. They're the experts, what do I know, right? And the last shoe in this box is a Yeezy V1, and this one is a size 11.5. And we have a pair of Pirate Blacks. Okay, so I didn't want to see this either, guys, because the V1 market is even more bad than the 350 V2 market. This one is in really good condition. Boost is like very white still, and you guys don't see a lot of like heel drag or anything worn down on the soles over here. However, like I said, it doesn't matter because Pirate Black ones just don't go for as much as they used to, dude. Also, what I just saw over here is that the box is ripped up on the side. So another bad like value cutter, I guess, on this. 11.5 is also not a great size. So I found out my camera died. So I'm recording this again because the second half of that beater box, I didn't realize that my camera like stopped recording. So basically I got to do the entire talk again. So looking at that beater box, I would say that it wasn't that bad. There's a lot of hard to move shoes in there, man. Like the New Balances for sure. I don't know how hot the market is for those things, but I'm assuming they're not that great. But I still think there's good value there because we got the Yeezy V1, the Yeezy Beluga 1.0, and also the Y3 Knit, which should be, I think, at least the price of the box. So everything else should be pure profit after that. I'm hoping. There are some hard movers for sure, but I think it's a lot better than what we were looking at the previous week. So thankfully, that was like an anomaly, I guess, and we actually have a chance for potential profit on this one. If you guys are interested in any of these shoes, feel free to check out untiedhawaii.com. I will have all the shoes listed on there for sale. If you guys don't see a shoe on there for sale, it probably means that it's already been sold, unfortunately, so sorry about that, but I do not have that shoe in stock anymore. Anyway, thank you guys again for watching week 12 of Sneaker Mystery Box Friday. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys are new here, feel free to subscribe down below. hit that like button if you guys did enjoy the video. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoots.